Hey, what's up guys? Jamie here. I want to say a massive thanks for joining me in today's video. What I'm talking about today is what I think is the #1 character trait you need in order to be successful with your online marketing. Now, this is going to be a little bit controversial. Some people are probably not going to respond very well to this message because it's a character trait that they just do not have. And I'm sorry if it offends those people. Having said that, before I jump into it, if this is your first time on the channel, welcome. My name's Jamie. I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, and pretty much all things digital. If any of that's of interest to yourself, I'd love to have you join me. Feel free to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to smash that bell icon to start the day with everything I'm talking about. So this is basically me talking about my 8-9-ish years involved in online marketing and digital marketing and affiliate marketing, all that sort of stuff. So anyway, with all that being said, what is the trait that you need? What is going to determine whether you're going to be successful in this business or not? Or one of the 90% of people that don't end up making money out of it in the long run? It's actually really, really simple. It's one word. It's perseverance. Perseverance. That's all it is. Nothing crazy. Now, I think Steve Jobs actually had a very famous quote along the lines of, one of the #1 traits being perseverance in entrepreneurial pursuits, because without it, you're going to give up at every hurdle. And little case in point, and where this whole video stemmed from, is it came from the fact that I book calls. I guess my business is me helping people out and seeing whether they're right for our affiliate marketing mastermind, which you can check out in the link below. It's called the Super Affiliate Accelerator. I'm one of the coaches there. But not everyone's going to be a good fit. And one of the ways that we like to pre-qualify people is to jump on a call with them. And we just go through some questions. It is a sales process. We diagnose whether they're going to be a good fit for it. We turn away the people that aren't going to be a good fit. And we suggest something else, and we give them a framework that they can take away and use in their own business should they wish to. And so here's the thing: people, more often than not, won't even show up to these meetings, and it blows my mind. We're talking about, like, myself and my business partners, we charge quite substantially for coaching services. So to have people come along to a free strategy session for an hour of our time, and they can't even rock up either on time or they don't rock up at all, how bad do they actually want to be successful in their life? Now, don't get me wrong, I understand things happen. I understand, life changes, you find another opportunity, I get that. But still, the thing is that it comes down to the perseverance. How badly do you want something to happen? Now, most people just don't want it bad enough. They say that they do, but reality is they're attracted to the fancy sales pages that have all these screenshots of amazing results, and they forget the fact that there's a shitload of work that goes into making that happen. It's not just the done-for-you funnel that you can replicate and run some ads and make a ton of money out of, which I know exist, and I know some of those things work, and good for them. And there is things like passive income. Yes, I get that, but you can't have passive income without working your butt off for it first. Not in this line of work, at least anyway. Maybe in other things if you're just dumping a big wad of cash in the bank, right? So anyway, perseverance. If it's not something that you have, I'd suggest you look elsewhere. The online industry isn't going to be for you, because it's going to knock you down. It's going to be a pain in the butt sometimes. You're going to have all sorts of stuff go wrong, and if you give up at the first sign of it not working, well, good luck. That's business in general. Things are going to happen, right? Now, having said that, and at the risk of sounding a little bit hypocritical, I think a lot of affiliates go through this pathway, and I speak of my own endeavors in particular in this one. But for me, when I kicked off in 2011, I went and started setting up blogs and things like that, and I was trying to take the knowledge that I'd gained from working in the financial markets online. And the reason I mentioned that is because I did what a lot of you guys are probably doing now. I was looking for the holy grail. I was like, oh, is it blogging? Is it should I get on YouTube and set up this huge channel, or should I become like some sort of weird celebrity, or I don't know, like what do I do? And so every time someone would send me an email saying, hey, I've got this thing, it's awesome, it's going to make you a ton of money, all you need to do is click the link and put your credit card in, it's really awesome. Of course I'd fall for it. We all do, like, let's be honest, like a lot of us, it's called shiny object syndrome. It's like we get distracted like so easily. But I still persevered through that. I'm still here today, 9 years down the track. I've gone through relationship breakups, bankruptcies, living huge amounts of financial stress along the way, and then I finally left the workforce in 2017 to obviously pursue affiliate marketing and my digital agency that I had for a little while as well. So what you need, like I say, is perseverance. And if you don't have it, you're going to need to develop some, because it's going to be a frustrating ride if you don't have that character trait. Anyway, my name's Jamie. Hopefully this has helped someone, and I appreciate you guys tuning in. Drop a comment below if you got any value from this. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.